Okay.
In our country, they don't our country.
But for the Colombian one,
It's provocative.
we can't do that.
Yeah.
For the
shooting buddies.
Israeli one, yes, we can, but for
But
the
we can do
Colombian
that,
one, we can't
actually.
torture her in
okay.
like for Colombia.
Okay.
Anyway,
Okay.
so what I was gonna do, if I'm the like primary torture or whatever, like I was just gonna start off with
That is scary.
like asking like a couple of like quick questions or like answering like that, right? Maybe like a
Read your script.
Yeah, maybe like a line or slap or a punch or something. Yeah, I've heard it. Right? But then like when she stops cooperating, me like taking off my jacket, like unrolling my
Consider me
sleeves up.
Scorsese with an M16.
Right.
Director with an M16.
Wait, hold on. I want to actually be seen in this. I want to be seen in the thing going like this.
Yeah,
Wait, hold on.
we need to. No, we need to. First of all, we need to like cover your face in some way.
Why?
Because they already know him as the military guy.
Wait, why don't they just film it so that Wait, Molly, just do it so the screen only comes up to their neck, so they see the body, but not the.
That's fine.
That's fine.
Because he can't be the military man and then torturing her in Colombia. That would be a little confusing. That would make no
They don't
sense.
look the same, though.
Did you?
No, it's a uniform. It's different
Okay, I
colors.
don't know if we actually need. Do we need
What? Why are you here?
Because Molly said we could come.
Molly said, I don't want to watch. We're leaving. Bye.
The important thing is that I did was in the scene like this.
I know, right? I like it a lot.
What is it?